In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add roles in Zoho CRM, a step-by-step guide for 2025. We're going to navigate together through the platform, ensuring that by the end of this video, you will be well-versed in setting up roles effectively. To kick things off, let's start by accessing the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, look for the Setup option, usually located in the top right corner of the interface. It's essential to keep in mind that the Setup menu is your main hub for configuration, so getting familiar with it will make your future interactions much smoother. Once you've located and clicked the Setup tab, the next step is to move to Roles and Sharing. This is where you'll begin the process of managing who's who in your CRM. Your organizational structure and the way you grant access can massively affect productivity and collaboration, so let's make sure this is set up correctly. Now that we're in Roles and Sharing, you'll see the option to create a new role. Click on this and you'll be navigated to a page where you can start defining the new role you'd like to introduce. This feature is particularly helpful when expanding your team or when roles evolve with business needs. Here, you will be prompted to type in the name of the role you wish to create. Be descriptive yet concise. This name should clearly reflect the responsibilities or department it caters to, making it straightforward for your team and for future reference. After setting the name, it's important to determine the reporting structure. Clicking on Reports To will allow you to specify who this new role should report to. This is crucial for maintaining an organized hierarchy within your system. It keeps communication clear and ensures that accountability is tracked effectively. Next, you'll choose the manager from the drop-down list indicating whom the person in this role will report. Again, this aligns with the hierarchy and ensures there's clear oversight and management. An optional but often recommended step is to enable the Share Data with Peers option by clicking its checkbox. Checking this option allows for better collaboration within your team as it permits data visibility across different roles at the same level. This can significantly enhance teamwork and streamline processes. Finally, to ensure that all your settings are saved, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial as it locks in all your inputs and makes the role available within your CRM. Now, your new role is fully configured and ready to be assigned, boosting your team's organization and efficiency. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding roles in Zoho CRM. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to apply these steps in managing your CRM roles. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.